Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your Honor Pad V9. So first, let's start off by removing a screen protector in a case. So I don't have to do that because I have the original one, so I know that this is not the issue. If you do not have an original case for your tablet, then it might cause some issues with the ghost touches appearing on your screen, especially if they are very long here on the edges to cover a part of the screen. So make sure that this is not the issue. It also can be an issue for the screen protector because it can be misaligned and not aligned properly to your device. So make sure that it's perfectly placed and that it causes no issues. Now after that, you can try and clean the screen away to remove any debris or moisture. So let's grab the microfiber cloth, as you guys can see, and now let's just give it a few slides. And after that, it should be ready to go. If there are still some ghost touches, then go to settings and update your software. So go to system and updates, go to software update and check if you're running the latest version like me. If you don't, then I recommend you guys running the latest version of your software because some older versions might have issues with the ghost touch problems and it's probably fixed in the newest versions. So that'd be it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.